Thinking about running an office in the UK, or maybe you've just landed your first office manager role and you're wondering, what the heck do I do now? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Welcome to UK Office Management 101, your go-to guide to keeping your office running like a well-oiled machine and legally compliant. So, what exactly is office management in the UK context? Think of it like being the engine behind the business, handling admin, facilities, suppliers, compliance, HR basics, and making sure the kettle's never empty. But here's the catch. In the UK, it's not just about getting things done, it's about getting things done legally. Health and safety, data protection, employment law, facilities compliance. There is so much to think about. Want a printable checklist of all your UK office duties? Grab your free office management starter kit. Link is in the description. All right, let's talk laws. These aren't just boring bits of red tape. They're essential for keeping your office safe, your team happy, and your business out of legal hot water. Here are 5 key UK laws every office manager should know. Health and Safety at Work Act 1974. You must ensure a safe working environment, whether it's a high-rise or your boss's converted garage. Data Protection Act 2018 UK GDPR. From personnel files to visitor logs, if you're handling personal data, you've got responsibilities. Employment Rights Act 1996. This covers contracts, pay, working hours, you name it. Know it if you deal with onboarding or HR tasks. The Equality Act 2010 Zero Tolerance for Discrimination also means your workplace should be inclusive and accessible. Workplace, Health, Safety and Welfare Regulations 1992. Yep, even the office temperature and toilet facilities are regulated. Want a quick reference PDF with links to each law? Yep, it's in the free starter kit. Download it below. Now, let's talk about making your life way easier with tech. These are my top 5 office management tools that UK office managers swear by. Trello or Asana for task and project tracking. Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace, Productivity Kings. Breathe HR for UK-friendly HR management. Slack or Microsoft Teams. DocuSign for legally binding e-signatures. Most of these have free versions to get you started, and yep, there's a full list and setup guide in the starter kit. So what does a day in the life look like? It might include managing the supplies budget, booking travel for the team, scheduling maintenance checks, making sure contracts are up to date. Keeping those all-important staff birthdays in the calendar. Pro tip: keep a shared team calendar with automated reminders. It's a lifesaver. And again, your daily planner template? You guessed it, it's in the free download below. Office management can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With the right knowledge, tools, and support, you've got this. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you found this helpful, subscribe for weekly tips and download your free starter kit to get ahead fast. It includes compliance checklists, templates, tool recommendations, a UK-specific office management calendar. Comment below with your biggest office management challenge. We might cover it in a future video.